Maybe some sounds were never meant to be heard. It starts as a low, almost imperceptible vibration, a distant hum that seems to come from nowhere. Some describe it as a faint engine idling just beyond the horizon. Others as a deep, resonant droning that never fades. An unexplained phenomenon reported across the world, from Canada to the UK, the US to Australia. In some places, it's just a mild nuisance. In others, it's so intense that people have abandoned their homes, unable to escape the noise. Scientists have tried to explain it. Some theories suggest industrial activity, distant power grids, or even military experiments. The hum doesn't always show up on recording devices. In fact, many times, only certain people can hear it. Over the years, governments and researchers have investigated cases of the hum, yet no single cause has ever been identified. It's not always tied to specific locations, and it doesn't behave like normal sound. Some describe it as getting louder at night. Others say it worsens indoors, and a few claim that wearing earplugs doesn't help. It's as if the sound is coming from inside their own bodies. For some, it's just an odd curiosity. For others, it's a life-altering disturbance that disrupts sleep, causes headaches, and even leads to psychological distress. Some communities have even formed support groups for those affected, because if no one else can hear it, how do you convince them it's real? A secret government experiment, a natural earth frequency, or something else entirely? What do you believe?